Ngayon po, will there be a swift trial? It doesn't look that way. There's so much foot dragging on the part of the impeachment court. Also on the part of the impeached official. Pero ito po, once ito ay umusad, pag-usad po nito sa panig ng prosecution, hindi po ang prosecution ang magbibigay ng dahilan para maantala ito. Ang gusto ng prosecution, swift trial. So ang pinakamatibay po dyan na parusa ay mahusgahan ng sambayanan. Wala po. Kasi pwede lang sabihin na ito yung paniniwala ko, hindi ako naniniwala sa ebidensya, kaya hindi ako boboto ayon sa gusto ninyo. Bumoboto ko ayon sa pananaw ko.
Thank you, Jong. Now we are going to entertain phone-in questions from Kenneth Basilio of Business World. Sir, the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Nina Mangyo, said that the speedy impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio could be advantageous to the Philippine economy, while its chairman George Barcelon said that the government should hold the BP's trial to quell political back noise affecting foreign investor sentiment and help reinforce the country's image of political stability.
Ano po yung
The questions are, from the perspective of House Prosecution Panel, is there an expectation for a swift impeachment process, both to uphold the rule of law and to reinforce public trust in our democratic institution? Meron pang isa, sir. Sige, yan muna.
Yan muna.
Opo.
Sa ngayon po, will there be a swift trial? It doesn't look that way. There's so much foot dragging on the part of the impeachment court. Also on the part of the impeached official. Pero ito po, once ito ay umusad, pag-usad po nito sa panig ng prosecution, hindi po ang prosecution ang magbibigay ng dahilan para maantala ito. Ang gusto ng prosecution, swift trial. Ngayon, yung second question.
Second question, and how can the prosecution reassure the private sector that the impeachment will not lead to a paralysis or disruption in economic policy making?
Ang sagot po dyan ay yung unang tanong ninyo. Does the prosecution expect a swift trial? Ang sagot doon sa pangalawa, yes, a swift trial will address the issue of stability, the issue of investor confidence in the Philippines. Kasi po, habang tumatagal ito, habang naaantala, habang lumalawig, naguguluhan ng tao. Anong ginagawa ng tao? Nagagalit, nagrarally, nagpoprotesta. So, sa foreign investors, hindi po maganda yan. Ang gusto ng foreign investors, stability. Pangalawa, nagdadigress ang atensyon ng Senado sa halip na sila ay makagawa ng mga batas na makakatulong sa ekonomiya. Ayon po sa rules of impeachment, ang impeachment should be given priority. At a certain hour, they should stop their legislative work and conduct the trial of the impeachment. So, nakahati yung atensyon. So, hindi ho maganda yan. Dahil yung paggawa ng batas na makakatulong sa ekonomiya ay naaantala. So, mas mabuti na maging swift, maging mabilis yung paglilitis. Para investor confidence is assured.
Thank you, sir. If I may use the word of the day promise, last na to. Another phone-in question from Joanna Giolagon from Asahi Shimbun. Sir, makikita nung sana if the prosecution panel is working with the parties that previously filed impeachment complaints against the BP, kung meron pa silang role dito, like maybe as resource persons. And also baka, okay, ilan po?
May ilan po na kalahok sa mga naunang impeachment complaints, dun sa 3, may ilang kalahok ho dyan na kasama sa prosecution panel. Ngayon, ito pong si Chel Diokno, yung kanya hong party list, yung Akbayan, sila yung nag-file ng pinakaunang impeachment eh. Kaya nga siya inimbitahan na sumama sa prosecution group. Yung pangalawa, yan po naman yung grupo ni Makabayan.
Makabayan Black.
Makabayan Black, yung pangalawa. Yung pangatlo, ito po yung civil society, yung mga pare. Yun hong kasali doon na abogado, ay bahagi rin ng kasalukuyang prosecution team. So, yun po ang sagot sa katanungan nyo. Opo.
Thank you, sir. Tina Panganiban Perez of GMA7 again.
Sir, pasensya na. Mababawi yung promise.
Okay.
Pahabol lang po. Are you at liberty to tell us who the witnesses of the prosecution panel will be or kahit ilan yung ipepresent?
Let's wait and see. Kasi po, we're still vetting the witnesses eh. Merong mga testigo. Ngayon, pinag-uusapan lang, alin ang pinakamalakas? Alin yung uunahin?